Holidays are approaching, and you know what that means? It is really not a great time to get arrested. My name is Carl Birkhead. I'm an attorney with Wirth Law Office in Tulsa, Oklahoma. I've been practicing family and criminal law for a little over 7 years now, and I want to talk to you just a little bit about how to make law easy by giving you some information basically about what it looks like during the holidays if you end up finding yourself accused of a crime. So surprising, it's surprising to some people at least that uh, a lot of people are finding themselves in jail over the holidays. And it kind of makes sense when you think about it. The holidays are a time when, a lot of people are, great, happy, celebratory. It's full of joy. And a lot of people are really depressed. Like it can be a real bummer of a time of year if things already weren't going well. Some people just kind of feel like this adds on to it. It leads to bad decisions, which lead to bad decisions, which ultimately lead to someone in handcuffs. This is really the time of year where I try to tell people, like, regardless of your reasons, mad, sad, angry, depressed, whatever, do what you can to take care of yourself. Stay at home, watch a good movie, don't indulge in substances, don't get into fights. Here's why. One, they see it a lot. 911 calls are nuts this time of year. But two, you're also dealing with the time of year where the courts are going to be closed more often than they are in the majority of the rest of the year. Let's think about it. We've got Christmas Eve and Christmas Day coming up. Not long after that, we've got New Year's Eve and New Year's Day coming up. What do those mean? That means that courts are closed. That means that judges are not on the bench, which means that if you are arrested, you're looking at a 3 to 5 day weekend before you even have a chance at getting a bond set and getting released. It's not worth it. It's really not. One bad Christmas fight, one bad interaction with your family, especially when substances are involved, could lead to you spending half your holiday break or more behind bars. Guys, I cannot stress this enough. It is much better to walk away from any given situation than it is to let it escalate to the point where a crime gets committed. If you're thinking about drinking over the holidays, do it responsibly. Do it at an established business or do it in your home, and never, ever get behind the wheel if you've had too much to drink. I tell people, honestly, best practice, if you had a beer, just Uber. If you think that you're going to be drinking, have a designated driver, have an Uber, have a taxi, something to make sure that you are protecting yourself and protecting the people around you as well. If you have questions about this, or if, Lord forbid, you've already found yourself in a position where you're facing charges over the holidays, absolutely give us a call. My name is Carl Birkhead. I'm with Wirth Law Office, and I want to help you make law easy. Thank you.